Hello friends, welcome to jQuery tutorial. Now in this video we are going to use the colon add extension. So the jQuery extension add, even, equal, all those stuff we will learn in this specific video. Say for example, the jQuery already selected all the elements with class attribute redbox. Let's say $.redbox filtered 4 elements from the HTML DOM tree. So we will assume like that. We can use extension colon equal to pick third element from the returned array. Right? Say for example, here we are talking about $redbox, right? So this $redbox, let's state that it is returning the DOM element, right, as a JavaScript object, and there is an array with 4 elements. And when you use the sudo colon eq2, it will pick 0, 1, 2, third element from this array. Alright, this is what called eq2. Likewise, you can pick any element with this sudo extension. Now we will have a HTML table and use alternate row extender. So here you know how to use the eq extension, and in this example we are going to use the add extension. And if you see, this is our HTML. We just have a table and there are 3 rows and multiple table data inside the row. If you see, this is one row, second row, third row. So each data, so each row contains 3 table data. So that means here we are forming 3 class 3 table, right? 3 rows and each row contains 3 table data. That way we form a grid of 3 class 3 table. So we will use this for our example. Here if you see, we have some styling attribute. We are applying this to all the tr elements. And if you see, we have 3 tr. That means we define style rule for table row. Right? So what style we are defining? Border top left radius is 2 pixel. Right? This is 2 pixel. Then background color we are setting for each table row. Right? This is one one style for tr. Top left radius is one style and background color is one style, and it is applied to tr. So the rule selector states that pick any element named tr. That means here we are applying this rule to the table row. Then we have a class attribute dot alternate row. So for any HTML element that is having class attribute alternate row, we are defining the rule, and there is only one rule. That rule is background color is dark khaki. That's all. And TR you can see, right? But this one we will apply dynamically. So here if you look at the jQuery, so this one we talked multiple time, ready, and the function which we are passing inside it, all those stuff we discussed multiple time in this course. Now let's concentrate on the selector. Here we are using the TR. So TR will select all the table row element, but here we are using the pseudo add, right? So add means here we are telling pick the add numbered column. You can also use even. So for add numbered columns we are applying the class attribute alternate row. Alternate row we want to show in dark khaki color, so that's what we are using in this single line of jQuery statement. All right, now one can also use the even extender as well. So here in this example we are using the add, so you can use even. That means it will pick even number of row. So we know that this tr will return array of 3 elements because we have 3 tr, right? Then add and even extension run through this returned collection and picks odd number of cell or even number of cell. So that's what this tr add or tr even means for. Right, once element is picked, we are adding the alternate row class to the filtered elements. Now we will go to the demo. Okay, we will add a HTML file. So the HTML file contains 3 table row and a table data in between, right? Next we will add the CSS file. And we will also add the JavaScript. So this is our CSS file. We already talked about these CSS rules. These are all simple rules. Now we will go to the JavaScript. So here we are having the add extension, right? And we will see how it is working. So you can see the add number of rows are highlighted with a dark khaki, right? So 0, 1 is add, this 2 is even. Now we can easily experiment how the even is working. So just save the file and refresh it, and you can see now the even number of rows are selected. The index starts from 0, right, from the returned array. So 0 is even and 2 is even. And if you see, we are using this add and even extension to do a alternate row highlight. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.